Where am I?
Welcome to Baldi's Basics. Collect all 7 notebooks and exit the school to win. Good luck!
Sounds fun.
After 3 notebooks,
Fourth notebook. Where is it? Oh, there. Wait, translations? I don't know how to do that.
I'll help you.
Wait, what? Who said that?
I kind of failed Baldi's test and I'm kind of dead, but anyways, that's not the problem. How you do translations is you basically Hi, I'm a dead person, and I'll be teaching you how to do translations. Now, instead of actually step by step showing you, it'll be easier to actually put it on the Cartesian coordinate plane. So say if we had an image made from -3 to 2, -3 to 4, and then -2 to 3. So basically it's just this simple triangle. Say if we wanted to translate it two spaces left and 1 space down, what it would look like is basically, first let's label these. Hold on. A, B, and C. If you wanted to translate this shape, 2 spaces left and 1 space down, what you would do is you would take point A, and then you would move this 1 and then 2. So this was where point A would be if you translated 2 spaces left. And then if you translate 1 space down, take where it would be and just go down. So now this point is point A prime. And then you basically do that with all the remaining points. So C goes here, here, here. And then B goes there, there, there. And every time you make a new image, you have to put a prime next to the new point. So this would be the shape. Say if you translated 2 left, 1 down.
Oh my god, the last one's impossible again. What should I do?
Oh no, I guess you'll have to guess.
I guess, how about this?
I get angry for every problem you get wrong.
Run! I'm in the bathroom! 6th notebook, where is it? Huh? Rotations. Easy. I know how to do that. Hi, I'm Matthew the teacher. I'm going to be teaching myself how to do rotations. So let's say we make a square. This will be point A on 1, 1. This will be point B on 1, 2. This is point C on 2, 2. And this is point D on 2, 1. And then all this together makes a square. Okay, so let's say we want to rotate this on point A 90 degrees clockwise. So what we would do, so this point, this line, rotate 90 degrees, think of a clock, it would go here. So this, and then the new D would be D prime over right here. Then you do the same with here. So see, 90 degrees would be over here. So then this would be C prime. And then B would be over here, which would be the new B prime. And now we've made a new square, and we're done.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you do rotations if the center of rotation isn't on a point?
Oh, I can help you with that. I know some stuff. Hi, I'm here to explain rotations, but since even a ghost can lose his voice, so now I'll be doing this silently, but I'll be commentating on myself. As I said before, we'll be covering rotations on this grid. So, like Matthew said before, how to do a rotation is basically you have a center of rotation on a point. But what if the center of rotation isn't on a point and say on a completely different area? Well, first you have to plot the center of rotation and then you have to make your actual shape. See how we made a shape over there, that triangle. Now, as I draw further, I'll color in the shape to make it obvious. How we basically do this is you take each point and count how many spaces it is for the center of rotation. For this demonstration, I'll be rotating it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So say from point B, it was 1 and then 1 away. So basically, you rotate that basically 90 degrees. And now take that L and you kind of shift it 90 degrees. So now
point B prime will be over there. And you sort of just kind of do this for every other point. So take it from C, that's just 2 down, and then you just rotate it, 90 degrees counterclockwise as well. And that's your new point for C. A as well, and that is basically your new image. And now I'll just be finishing up right here. And you see, he has 2 spaces down and then 1 space right from that. So now I'll be 1 space down and then 2 spaces left. And that is how you find the points. So right now, this is A prime. And that is the new image that you have rotated. Good job!
Find the 6th one. There it is. Reflections? Easy. I know how to do that. Hi, I'm Matthew the teacher, and I'll be explaining some reflections to myself once again. So let's make another square that I just did. It's not because I'm lazy. And we'll call them A, B, C, and D. And let's say you want to reflect it across the y-axis. Well, for the y-axis, this is 1 away from the y-axis. So it'll be on the other side, it'd also be 1 away. This one is 2 away, and now you've got a line. And again, up here, you're going to be reflecting it. So this is going to be B prime, and this will be C prime. And notice how all the letters have changed size. A is now on the right, and D is now on the left, because we reflected it like a mirror, which when you look in a mirror, is reflected. And yeah, that's Matthew the teacher.
I see you!
Go away! Dilations? I don't know how to do that.
I found you, and I heard you had troubles about dilations.
Hi, I'm Baldy, and you can tell I'm Baldy because I have a meter stick. And now I'll be teaching you, Matthew, the student, how to do dilatations. Now, first things first. In order to do dilatations, you have to first have a scale factor and a center of dilatation. So, as first, let's plot our center of dilatation at, say, let's plot it at 4, 4, just because it's just a good point. So, center of dilatation is right here, COD. And now, say let's have our scale factor up to 2 for now. So, with these in place now we can get to making a shape. Let's first make a shape, say at 2, 2, this will be A, 3, 2, this will be B, 3, 3, this will be C, and 2, 3, this will be D. So what this makes is basically, it's just a square. Now how you dilatate is basically, if you want to dilatate an object, if your scale factor is above 1, that means it dilates, well, it gets larger, so it grows like this, and if it's below 1, it goes back like that. I'll show you right now. So basically what you do is, say if you took point D and you count how many spaces is between that point and the center of dilatation. So say if there was 1, and then 1, 2. Now, how you do it is now you just multiply each of those values by 2. So now this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So now this is D. Well, D prime. And now you just kind of repeat everything with that. So C is 1, 1. It would now be 1, 2, 1, 2. So while this point is A on the original, it's also C prime. For B, it'd be 1, 2, 1. So now it'd be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is B prime. And A, you could just kind of, since you have the 3 points, you can kind of like autofill it with your brain. A would be at the origin, A prime, and this would be your dilated object.
Now that you have the skill set of transformations, this can help you in the real world. Say, if you wanted to move a painting up a wall or in a certain place, you can make the wall a grid and then actually plan how much you're gonna move it. Say if you wanted to move it like 2 meters up, 1 meter left, make the wall like a 1 by 1 meter grid, and you can just move it up.
Well, thanks. And I finally finished the last question. Bing!
Now, congratulations! You finished all 7 notebooks. Now,
Get out while you still can!